They have ice cream.
What's going on, friends? I'm here in Bangkok. It's a Monday morning. I went to that coffee fest yesterday, and I'm gonna head back to Pattaya here in a little bit, but I figured I'm gonna come over here and get some breakfast. I don't know what in the world just walked in this place down here, but she looked like she had a body on her. But anyways, I'm gonna come on over here to the tavern. Looks like a little hole in the wall, but from what I've been reading, they serve good breakfast. Come on in here to the tavern. Beware. I'm trying to give y'all the best light I possibly can, but this is called the tavern, so it makes sense that it's kind of dark in here. This is dark like it was when I was doing the drunk video. They got lots of pictures of naked women on the bar. I don't know who this is right here, but she's hot as shit. They've got breakfast, lumberjack special, 2 pancakes served with bacon and sausage, home fried potatoes, and a choice of coffee or tea for 270 baht. They wasn't playing when they said home fried potatoes, but she's chopping them up with the onion and get them right. Let's put one more, why don't we? Cause I'm a fat boy. We at the tavern there, folks. A lot of the reviews on Google said that they have really good pancakes. They weren't lying. These pancakes are freaking awesome. They're really good. 270 baht for the lumberjack. All right, friends, I got my belly full. Time to make my way back to Pattaya. So as I was riding down, I passed this little coffee shop sitting next to the river. It looks like she's got some syrups in here, which tells me she probably has Italian soda. Have strawberry and Manao soda. Okay. What have? Sapalo. Okay, sapalo. Soda. Chai. 20 baht, 60 cents for a sapalo Italian soda. The thing with these Italian sodas, man, you gotta stir them 4,679 times. I'm on number 318, 19, 20. How many more I got to go? Be stirring all decade. Oh. All right, Mop. She's also got a couple seats and tables over by the river. I'm just gonna go sit down over there, read my novel for a little bit. Do I trust this little dock to hold my fat ass? I don't know. I'm not sitting out there. I'm just gonna sit up here by this window. Okay, kapung kap. Man, I've been craving one of these sandwiches all day long. I've actually been craving one for probably the past couple days. The sandwiches here are really good. I usually get the P1. It's got bologna and eggplant and mozzarella, but I switched it up. I got some turkey. She got it on the other side over there, slicing it up. So I got that turkey there with some Gouda, lettuce, tomato, mayo on a fresh roll. I also got some peach tea, hot tea, but they give me a glass of ice and I make my own iced tea out of it. And 99% of the time before I leave here, I always get fresh tiramisu. That will probably happen again tonight. She's got the tiramisu in the case, but sometimes when I ask for it, she'll make a fresh one. So I'll skip the tiramisu, but I got some ice cream and I got 3 scoops. Cause I'm a fat boy. Walking right down here to Erin's. Go inside and see if she's got any blueberry muffins. Craving just a little small something sweet. All right, I got my blueberry muffin. Said they just arrived fresh yesterday. I warmed this up in the microwave. Got a little pat of butter on it. Be my dessert. Then I believe I'm gonna fire up the laptop, find me a free movie to watch on YouTube, and watch it till I fall asleep. That's what happens when you get old like me. Buddy Cop, you wanna say hi? Soy. You got the pretty lady over here slicing up pineapple. All right, so those 2 little packs of mango was 60 baht. It's not bad for that much mango. I like to eat it in the morning. I also like to eat it for dessert. What's going on, friends? Ride is done for today, 48 miles. I stopped here at this little spot, ordered myself a big glass of ice and a Coke. And I also got a packet of noodles, and she's kind enough to throw some hot water in there for me and get them heated up. Freaking love it here, man. It's great. Hope y'all having a great day. What's going on, friends? I decided to take a ride out here to Morning House Cafe and Restaurant. I don't know if it's called cafe and restaurant, but it's a cafe and it's a restaurant, so I just put that on the end of it. But it seems like a pretty nice little establishment in there. We'll find out. I ordered a caramel cappuccino long, and I ordered a Thai omelet. I'll sit in here and enjoy my coffee, enjoy my brunch, and read my novel for a little bit. Man, I'm telling y'all right now, that woman has got a body on her that is absolutely crazy. I don't know if she's a runner or a gym rat or a combination of both or what. Sheesh. All right, let's go on in here and see if they got my food ready. All right, y'all. Kai Jiao Musap, which is a Thai omelet with minced pork. You say Khao Kai Jiao Musap, and it's with rice, and my caramel macchiato. Yep, that'll work. I'm gonna sit here and read my book, stuff my face, drink my coffee, probably get a second coffee, see if they got some cake or something in here. Y'all know why. Cause I'm a fat boy. I don't know about this one right here. She just tried to break my arm.
Yeah, I don't need to.
I was standing in the way of the door that goes back to the kitchen, and she didn't know I was standing there, and she opened it. I had my hand where it shouldn't have been. Pause.
They have ice cream.
You funny.
Chocolate chip, mango, chocolate, strawberry, vanilla. What y'all think, man? Yeah, nung strawberry and nung vanilla. Ice cream! Man, y'all know I can't go anywhere that has ice cream and not get ice cream. Cause I'm a fat boy. I'll probably stay here about another half hour, finish my ice cream, read a couple more chapters, get some more B-roll, and then I think I'm gonna go shoot some pool for a little bit. What's going on, friends? I'm here on Pratumnak Soy 5, King of Coffee. Well, it's a nice little spot. You all might remember I did a video about King of Coffee when they were on Beach Road. It's not as humid today, and there's a little bit of a breeze, so that helps. They've got the fans blowing, and it's under shade. I'm gonna get myself an American breakfast and a cup of coffee, read my book for a little bit. All right, y'all. Coffee was good, breakfast was good. The surprise, though, was their blueberry cheesecake. That's the best cheesecake I've had since I've been in Thailand. It's very good. My American breakfast came with 2 eggs, 6 strips of bacon, 2 small pancakes, 2 small little hash browns, a cup of coffee, and an orange juice. That was 190 baht. And then I ordered the blueberry cheesecake, and I also had a caramel frappe. Cause I'm a fat boy. What's going on, friends? Just left Leckerli, met my buddies up there, had a little bite to eat, couple scoops of ice cream. It's on Soy 33, basically right across from Grand Center Point, Space Pattaya. About 5:30. Maybe I'll go home and finish watching Drop Zone, the old Wesley Snipes movie. I haven't seen it in so long, I really don't remember the details. I started watching it yesterday, and I'm like, yeah, this is like a new movie to me. What y'all think of that Weasels in the Bushes shirt? Kind of like a royal blue, almost like a lime green logo. Bought it to match my sneakers. Y'all tell me what you think about that. Should I put this one on the website? Over there at Leckerli, I think that's how you pronounce it. Sean and I both had beef stew with potatoes. I had a side of potato salad. He had a side of steamed vegetables. I honestly can't remember what Kendra had. The 2 girls shared a fruit plate, which was just watermelon and pineapple. And then you know I couldn't leave out of there without getting some dessert. Cause I'm a fat boy. So I had 2 scoops of ice cream, 1 vanilla, 1 mocha chip. Pretty nice evening out. It's actually not too hot out here this evening. Little bit of a breeze going on. Humidity's kind of low. Not a bad day to walk. I'll walk till I get tired of walking. Then I'll get on a bus.